What's up? Today I'm doing a little ride 20 kilometers from my home to my mother's house, and I'm taking some pictures on the way. Yeah, I really like the way the light was coming on the right hand picture over here, forming a triangle, and then like the colors are nice. This one had like a funny little frame around the overhead passage that was pretty interesting. And then here was just like, while I was riding, a bit risky to be honest, but I like how it came out. There was a dog on this little veranda looking out. Here another riding pic again, with a truck saying furniture with history. This is probably my favorite photo from the trip. The light was really nice, like it's in a good angle, sort of like 45 degrees from me. Yeah, just the texture on the building was really interesting, like the yellow sort of crummy brick, dirty brick, and then the green. Yeah, I love the colors here. It was a good spot. Here I'm passing through quite busy Carouge, like sort of central urban area in Lisbon. Lots of traffic, buses. This picture isn't great, I just found it funny, like the massive lettering. Then here, this sort of underground passage through an apartment building. I went in to explore, and it turns out it was like just an overhead bridge from the train lines. I got some pictures which are okay. This one probably was the one I liked more, the little staircase leading up to the platform. A gas station in the middle of all the green, which I quite like the orange brightness. Yeah, this one was quite funny as well. It reminds me of like some kind of alien workshop or something. This was a sick little Pajero Jeep. Here I was changing the shutter speed to get like a bit of a slower shutter speed for this picture, so I could get the car sort of with that drag effect. And that was it. Yeah, that was a cool ride. I love this little trip because it goes through like the center urban areas of Lisbon, right? Very un-tourist like, so you get like a different perspective of the city.